Welcome to the online lecture of Math 1-to-1 Linear Algebra and ODEs. Today we are going to learn about determinants, and this is exercise 3.1 in your textbook. In linear algebra, the determinant is a scalar value that can be computed from the elements of a square matrix. The determinant of a matrix is denoted by different abbreviations, and these are written over here. In the case of a 2 cross 2 matrix, the determinant may be defined as this equation. In this equation, we will multiply two diagonals and then subtract the answers. Similarly, for a 3 cross 3 matrix A, its determinant is calculated by this equation. In this equation, we are expanding with respect to first row. Here, each 2 by 2 determinant of a matrix in this equation is called a minor of the matrix A. This procedure can be extended to give a determinant of an n cross n matrix. Let's try to understand the concept of determinant with the help of an example. In this example, we will compute the determinant of a matrix A with the help of two methods. First one is by expanding along the row, and the second method is by using row echelon form. In first method, we will expand with respect to first row. So this is the expansion. Don't forget to write negative with the second element, and then this is the third element. These are the minor matrices which created with respect to the expansion of first row. Then by doing some basic arithmetic, we will get the answer equal to -2. Now we will solve the same matrix A with the help of row echelon form. In row echelon form, this is our pivot element, and by applying different row operations, we will convert all the values below the diagonal equal to 0. So this is the row echelon form of the given matrix A. This is our original matrix. This is the row echelon form of a given matrix. Now, in order to calculate the determinant of a given matrix, we will multiply all the elements of a diagonal. So by multiplying all the elements of a diagonal, we will get the answer, which is -2. In this example, we will compute the determinant of a 4 cross 4 matrix. And this solution is calculated by using the row echelon form. In the row echelon form, this is our first pivot element in first column, and with the help of this pivot element 2, we will convert -6, -4 and 10 equal to 0 by using different row operations. So these are the 3 row operations, and by applying these 3 row operations, we will convert all the elements below the pivot element equal to 0. Now we will move to the second column, and in second column our pivot element is -18, and by applying these two row operations, we will convert all the values below -18 equal to 0. Now we will move to the third column, and -46 by 9 is our pivot element, and by applying this row operation, we will convert element below -46 by 9 equal to 0. So this is the row echelon form of the given matrix. This is our original matrix, and this is the row echelon form of the given matrix. So in order to calculate the determinant of a 4 by 4 matrix, we will multiply all the elements of the diagonal as we did in the previous example. So by multiplying all the elements, we will get the determinant of a given matrix A, which is 88.